Right now, somewhere in this galaxy, there is an object so dense that it has punched a hole in the rules of reality. Not a thing floating in space, a place where space itself stops behaving. You've heard it called a black hole. Almost everything your intuition tells you about it is wrong. Here's the problem. We picture a black hole as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking everything in. It isn't. We picture it as a giant ball of stuff. It isn't that either. To understand what a black hole really is, we have to throw out the idea that gravity is a force pulling on you and replace it with something far stranger. By the end of this, you'll have a mental model you can actually trust. Start with what feels obvious. Throw a ball up. Gravity pulls it back. Throw it faster, it goes higher. Throw it fast enough, about 11 kilometers per second on Earth, and it never comes back. That's escape velocity. So here's the naive idea of a black hole. An object so massive that its escape velocity is faster than light. Nothing escapes because nothing outruns light. But that picture has a crack in it. Escape velocity treats gravity as a pull, a force reaching out to grab the light. Einstein showed that's not what gravity is. Mass doesn't pull. Mass bends the shape of space and time around it. Things move straight, but straight lines through bent space curve. The Earth isn't tugging the moon. The moon is rolling along a valley the Earth carved into space-time. Now make that dip infinitely steep. Cram enough mass into a small enough space and the curve becomes a cliff. A region where every possible straight path, even for light, bends back inward. There's no direction left that points out. That boundary is the event horizon. Cross it and outward simply stops existing as a direction you can travel. The black hole doesn't suck you in. You just run out of ways to leave. And the thing at the center. There may be no thing at all. Just a point where our equations say curvature becomes infinite and physics, as we know it, ends. A black hole isn't an object. It's a region of geometry. Its only real properties are mass, spin, and charge. That's it. The most extreme object in the universe is also one of the simplest things in it. So here's the model to keep. A black hole is not a vacuum and not a ball of stuff. It's a place where matter has bent space-time so severely that the path to out no longer exists. Gravity was never a rope pulling you. It's the shape of the floor you're standing on. And a black hole is where the floor falls away completely. Which raises a question that broke physics for 50 years. If everything that falls in is gone forever, its information erased, that violates one of the deepest laws we have. So does the information actually survive somehow? That's a paradox even Stephen Hawking couldn't fully solve. And it's the story for another video. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like and subscribe to come back next week. There's always more of the universe to explain.